Hello everyone, I'm Amy. Welcome to my channel. I am sharing different PSL companies. So if you are looking for a home-based teaching job, you can visit my YouTube channel. So today I will share another ESL company where I got hired instantly. So yeah, the name of the company is the J English Academy. Well, this ESL company is very small and is not really known because I cannot search them in Facebook and Reddit. There's none, but there are some in Facebook, but it's a negative post and it's a negative comment. So based on my experience, I guess it's um, the manager is so nice, great workers. They are nice actually. I didn't have my first salary yet because I just got hired like last week. But they have a group chat wherein one teacher sent their salary. Well, it's how to apply. Let's start with how to apply in that company. Well, when I applied in speaker, you remember I have a video. It's an audio class, so didn't pass there, right? So it didn't pass. But my recruiter recommend another PSL company. So I will write my recruiter's name in Microsoft Teams. So because there's no Skype, then you can message her. So yeah, I tried in that company, J English Academy. So I just sent a message and at night I had the interview like just one day. So nung night na, tinawagan ako ng manager. So the manager is not really strict and not really good in English, like some managers super good. So he's not like that. He will just ask you to say you will have your interview and demo. But for mine, he just said that I will act as your student and then yes, you pretend that you're having a class. So parang demo. Pero, so own material yun, mag-try ng materials mo for adult. Okay? We teach adult. So, yun. And then, nag-pretend ako. But, he said that, um, Amy, you're like teaching high school. Can you repeat it? Just like talking. Sabi niya. Just like communicating, parang ganun. So, it's like a free talk because it's adult. So, inulit ko and then sabi niya, okay, I will hire you. But I want you to open your schedule from, what's my time? 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. and uh, 7 p.m. to 10. But don't worry kasi there's no much students naman. And that is the owner. And then if you meet the manager, I guess they have different managers there. Mine is so nice. And then the manager will ask, are you available at this time? Are you available? It's not necessarily na you should open. The manager will ask you if you're available like that. And nung first na nakuha ko, the manager messaged me through Microsoft Teams and then he said like, I will give you student on Monday like that. They are very nice. Our manager is so nice. Students here are Koreans and adults. So I only had one regular student. Kasi yung manager, he gave me 3 students for a trial class. So the trial class will be free. You will conduct the class free for 20 minutes. So if they like you or they like your lesson or your home, they will register through your manager. So the first one, he registered, but the second, so I had like 2 more. The 2 did not register because The other one is beginner. So, nahihirapan talaga siya. And the other one is advanced. So, parang so, yeah, that one. So, I had a regular class, which is only 7 a.m. So, yun lang. It's not necessary to open in the morning. So, the rate here is 40-minute class. So, trial class is 20 minutes. No pay. That's free. Knowing each other. And then, there are two kinds of classes. They register for 40-minute class, that is 100 pesos for 40 minutes, and 1 hour is 150 pesos. Yeah, for 1 hour. So again, your students will be Korean and other. Yun. And yeah, so you will conduct the class through Microsoft Teams. Microsoft. You can share your screen in the Microsoft. And yeah, I think that's all. So the name of the company is J English Academy. You can just message my recruiter if you want to apply. But I guess they don't have much students. Maybe they have, but here you need to mark, like you need to tell yourself like that if they register or if they register, that is for you. It's a regular class, not a big class in this. So it's like you manager the students that ano, they won't give you lessons. You need to provide your should have. But my recruiter also gave me lessons, so yeah, you can also use that. So that's all about that company. So yeah, if you're interested, just comment down below and send you the recruiter's name if you cannot see on the. I will write it also on comment section or in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you everyone on my next video. Bye.